Step-parenting can be very stressful for many couples, especially in the beginning. If certain issues are not addressed early, the marriage could be severely damaged. Therefore, if you marry someone with children, especially if one or more of the children will live in your household, I strongly encourage you to have a candid discussion about parenting issues with your spouse before you are faced with parenting issues that could fracture your marriage. As you try to mold your blended family into one cohesive unit, consider the following tips. They may help you work through any tension and develop a stronger relationship with your spouse and stepchildren. Number 4, don't let others undermine your parenting. Input from others can be helpful, and I think it would be wise for you and your spouse to consult the natural parent of your stepchildren when certain issues arise. However, because your stepchildren live in the home with you and your spouse, the two of you should have the final word concerning day-to-day child rearing responsibilities.